Hey everyone, Sarah with PSP here. Today I am using some leftover paint that I have. I painted a dresser behind me, so all you're gonna need for this project is basically paint, paintbrush, and this is the project that I'm gonna be working on today, is just repainting this mirror to make it look a little bit better. I got it from a thrift store a little while back and I just hadn't really figured out what I wanted to do with it yet. So we're gonna paint it blue, rough it up a little bit and see what the outcome is. All right, let's get started. All right, so we got our mirror here. I've already cleaned the surface, so it's ready to go. We just gotta throw some paint on it. I'm not gonna bother taping the mirror because I'm lazy. So I'm just gonna put some paper towel there, and since we're doing it on glass, I can just scrape it off. I've already got paint on my brush, I just put some plastic over it. So make sure your paint's shaken up real good. This paint is chalkboard paint, or I guess it's the Chalked brand. You can get it at Canadian Tire. You can get them in any of these kinds of colors here. Pretty excited to try out some of the different colors that they've got. All right, so we're gonna go through and put on our first layer here. Protect your table or wherever your workspace is and get it all covered in plastic or whatever. If I get a little paint on the mirror, that's fine. I'll just scrape it off later. So this is gonna probably take a couple of coats, but that's all right. All right, we got our first coat of paint on there. We're gonna let it dry and give her another go. Right, so I've got the 2 coats of paint on here. You can decide if you want to have more than that. This is what 2 coats covers, as you can see. So from there, I'm just gonna take some sandpaper and then I'm gonna rough up these edges a bit just so you can get a little more of that rusticy type look. So it's pretty simple, just go over the areas that you think are gonna get a little extra wear and tear. So the color from underneath is gonna show through just like that right there. So just go through and do the edges or the corners, that kind of thing.